So today I'll be showing you how to use and install Grammarly on Chrome. So first things first, you are going to go to your student email and look up Grammarly. There was an email sent February 10th. Action needed. You just click on that and scroll down and you'll see a button that says join now. And you'll click on that, which will take you here where you can sign up. It will already have your email and then you'll just create a password. I already have a Grammarly account, so this is what that is, and then you just press login or sign in, and then it'll take you to here where you can go to apps and you'll see Grammarly for Chrome. You can also install Grammarly on your Mac OS. We're just going to do Chrome today, so you press install, and you say add to Chrome, add extension. It's just checking to make sure that everything's good to add it. Awesome. So Grammarly now has been added, and you can see it popped up in the top right-hand corner of the bar right here, next to your name and stuff like that. And then this is where it will bring you, welcome to Grammarly. It can show you all the different things. So look for Grammarly logo on emails and things like that. And that will tell you that it's working. This just tells you how Grammarly works whenever you see something underlined. That's it telling you that there's something wrong. And these are some of the other systems that it says it can work with, such as your email, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other sites like that. And down here, we just see that it's been downloaded and installed into Grammarly. So Grammarly Online Editor, so you can click this, and it'll take you back to the main page. This is where you can edit papers within Grammarly, and you can upload them, and so this is just like a demo one. So everything underlined are things that are either misspelled or need corrections. So like misspelled is misspelled. So what you do is you go over here, you can hover on it or click on it, and it'll show you the correction in green, and you just click it and it disappears and corrects it. So click, click, gone. For instance, if there's one like down here, it says that you spell USA two different ways, and which way would you like to use it, with periods, without periods. We're going to do with periods, and you can press update all. If there's a correction that you don't want corrected, you think it should stay that way, you can click dismiss, and it'll just go away and stay the way it was. Or if you want them to add a certain word to the dictionary, you can also do that. So you see how it says only 2 more alerts. And it can tell you like why the correction needs to be changed, things like that. And now we're all done. So over here is where it tells you all the different alerts, corrections, clarification, engagement, delivery, and it'll show you, and everything will be underlined in the correct color. And then up here it gives you points, so it says great job, all the corrections are done. Down here you can also click plagiarism, and it will underline anything that has been plagiarized. It will search the internet for it. So as you can see, it says there's 2 things. 20% of this text matches something else. 20% of this matches something else. And if you just do this, you can go back to your home. So now let's do Google Docs. So we're just going to go to Google Docs. You can see up here, you just click this little icon in the corner, and it says turn it on, so you just press turn on, And now Grammarly works within Google Docs. So I'll just click one of my random assignments. You can also take a tour and see how it works. So things will be underlined. This is where you can personalize your type of style. So most of your writing, mine is for school, for writing in American English. My primary language is English. My Grammarly skills are intermediate, probably. And then you just press save, and now that it knows those things, it can help better with your writing. So mine just has one edit because I honestly used Grammarly for this. So it says for should be of. So I don't even have to click on it. I can just hover and click on that, and it changes it. And that's it. Grammarly is really useful to making sure your spelling corrections, grammars, and sentences are correct, and I highly, highly recommend it. If you guys have any further questions, please contact the AT Center at PAL, and we can help you with anything else. Bye!